Keeping track of your infrastructure costs should be simple. In this kickoff video for our onboarding series, I'll guide you through the Cherry Server's billing portal and show you how to follow your usage, set up payments, and manage your account in minutes. When you first log into your billing portal, you'll see your team balance dashboard. Here you can monitor your current credit balance, track your hourly usage rates, and see what you've spent in the current billing cycle. This gives you flexibility. You can use services on a fixed term or hourly basis, whether you're running dedicated or virtual servers. And when your balance starts getting low, the top-up button makes it easy to add funds instantly. Clicking that button opens up your available payment methods. When you click Top Up, your payment methods window pops up. Here you'll find all the available ways to fund your account. You're offered flexible and globally supported options. This means depending on your region, you can top up using several methods like credit or debit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. And since we are crypto-friendly, you can pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and other leading cryptocurrencies, giving you a borderless, secure, and modern payment experience. Just select your preferred option, enter your payment details, and confirm the top-up amount. You can also save your card for faster future payments and uninterrupted service. Note that when adding a new card, a small verification charge, usually up to €1, may appear temporarily, but it's automatically refunded once your card is verified. Next, let's move over to billing information. This section stores your invoicing details, like your company name, address, and tax information. VAT is automatically calculated and applied based on your billing location, so you don't need to set it manually. If you ever need to update anything, just click the edit button, make your changes, and everything updates instantly. Right below your billing details, you'll also see the debit and credit cards section. Here, you can securely save a card to speed up future payments and make sure your services renew automatically without interruption. If no cards are saved yet, just click Add Card. It only takes a few seconds to set up. All your billing documents are organized under the Invoices and Documents section. Here you'll find your invoices, receipts, and pro forma documents, all available for quick viewing or download. It's a convenient way to keep your financial history transparent and accessible whenever you need it. Now let's take a look at subscription payments. This is where you manage your active and upcoming services. First, you'll see your primary payment method. This is the card or payment option that gets charged automatically when your services renew. The next section lists your subscribed packages. These are all your active, fixed-term services such as dedicated servers or existing plans. Below that, the Available Packages section shows new services that are ready to deploy. If it's empty, you can click Deploy New Server to start a new plan. Everything here is designed for simplicity. Just remember to add a valid payment method so renewals and auto payments run smoothly. Next up, we've got auto recharge settings. This is where you make sure your balance never runs out. If you see a message saying saved payment method doesn't exist, that just means there's no card linked for auto recharge yet. You can fix that by clicking Add Payment Method and saving your preferred card. On your settings, you'll see Balance Auto Recharge, which automatically adds credit when your balance drops below a certain amount. For example, you can set it to add €100 when your balance falls under €20. Next is Time-Based Auto Recharge. This one adds funds when your balance can't keep your services running for a set number of days. For instance, you can set it to add €20 when your balance won't cover the next 2 days. These are meant to keep your services and subscriptions active automatically. Just make sure a valid payment method is saved before enabling them. To stay on top of things, you can also set up balance alerts. These send you email notifications when your credit drops below a certain amount or when your remaining balance can only keep services running for a limited time. It's a simple way to stay informed and avoid any unexpected interruptions. And that's it. Managing your billing is simple, transparent, and designed to keep your infrastructure running smoothly. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to our support team. Our technical experts are available 24/7 and always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Cherry servers, bare metal with a cherry on top.